Good morning! This is our second day in the camp.
First day yan, second day.
Bago pa ming mata. Muni among kuan. Tapa, tulog pa sila. Namong bathroom din ay duhay, Borag Bartolina.
It's a blue jay.
Which one is closer, Dad? The faucet.
Yeah. Yeah, no, this one too much goose is gonna cut your skin. Right there.
Go get my towel.
Aquí. Aquí. I'm hungry now.
I know, I have to brush my teeth
Can
first.
you fix, I need my Harina. I need papel.